In the heart of Slovenia lies a place of wonder, where nature and history meet in perfect harmony. This is Bled, a paradise where fairy tales come to life. Lake Bled is not just any lake, it's a natural wonder, admired for centuries as one of Slovenia's most beautiful spots. As you drift toward the island, the magic of the past wraps itself around you. Bled Island is a place steeped in legend and charm. The church at its heart, with its iconic bell tower, has been standing here for centuries, offering both spiritual peace and a touch of mystery to those who visit. To reach the church, you'll climb 99 ancient steps, each step bringing you closer to the legend of the island. Tradition holds that those who ring the wishing bell with an open heart can make a wish that will one day come true. But it's not just the bell that holds magic here. The island itself, surrounded by the tranquil waters of Lake Bled, feels like a sanctuary, separate from the world. Whether you're here to make a wish, find a moment of reflection, or simply take in the serenity, Bled Island offers a timeless escape, where every visitor feels a part of its story. Bled Castle, a sentinel of history, has watched over these lands for nearly 1,000 years. Built high atop a cliff, it stands as Slovenia's oldest castle, an architectural marvel that has withstood the test of time. As you step through its stone gates, you are not merely entering a fortress, but a living piece of history. Each tower, each wall, whispers tales of medieval life, of battles fought and won, and of the noble families that once called this place home. Bled is not only about breathtaking views, but also the adventures it offers. Whether biking around the lake, hiking through nature, rowing on the crystal clear water, or simply relaxing by the shore, every moment is an opportunity for discovery. Bled is more than just a visit. It's a timeless experience where peace and nature embrace you. Slovenia's hidden gem, leaving its visitors with memories to last a lifetime. Are you ready?